Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this quick tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get your Dogecoin address on your Binance mobile app. Our first step being that you open up Binance, and once Binance has opened up, you simply click on deposits. Yes, deposit. You click on deposit and you click on Doge, or you use the search bar to search for Doge. You click on Doge and you select your receiving network. So if you were to receive in any of these networks, you simply click on that. For the purpose of this video, we might be clicking on the BEP20. Here it is, your BEP20 address is shown. If you were to click on the Doge, your Doge address is shown as well. If you were to click on the BEP2, okay, the BEP2 wallet is shown as well. The wallet address is shown. So guys, that's how you can simply find your Dogecoin wallet address. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.